This is the TrueKit Discovery 3.3 meter. Let's cut her open. TrueKit inflatable instructions. First things first, hot tip when you unbox the boat for the first time. Pay careful attention to how the boat has been folded. Follow this system of folding and you will always have the most compact boat possible. Our recommended inflation pressures are pontoons 3 psi and air mat floor 9 psi. Seats. Oars. Alright. That's the floor. Wow, this is really quite heavy duty. This is more heavy duty than what I was expecting. Boat bags ×2. Hand pump. Dinghy launching wheels. Now you pay about $400 extra for this. Quick lock dinghy launch wheels. Oh man, these are heavier than I thought. Alright, I got the 3.3 meter Discovery. I was thinking about getting the 4 meter. And then I looked on the website at this data sheet, and the the 4 meter one is like 45 kilograms, and this one, the 3.3 meter, is like 37 kilograms. So, oh man, now you've got this monster of lifting the thing up. Oh god, and manhandling the thing. Oh jeez, that's not light. I'm glad I got the smaller one. Okay. Oh, look at that, it's got the aluminium transom. Oh man. Aluminium transom. Yes, metal. Now I know that traditionally these have had marine grade ply as their transoms. And obviously at some point, I don't know when, I don't know why, I don't know how, at some point Rod decided to change to an aluminium transom. So, I don't know, maybe there was the odd boat where the transom broke or something. Anyway, we've got a metal one. Good. Oh man, dude, I gotta get the electric pump. Bugger this, man. Oh. Ooh, it rolls. Woo! Dinghy launching wheels. Oh boy. Get the air pump. Get the air pump. Do not get the hand pump. Get the air pump. Oh, I forgot the oars. Gotta put the oars in.
Unbelievable. Oh, what I'm doing here?
You could try sitting on the seat.
This is a seat?
Yeah, that's the seat.
Wow, it's amazing.
You can also sit on the pontoons on the side.
Really?
Yeah.
That's like super strong.
Yeah.
How many people can you take?
Probably 3 or 4.
Amazing. Oh, looking forward to the safari.